5 trendy wood fence ideas. Number 1. Basket weave wood fence. The endurance of a basket weave fence is comparable to that of a solid privacy fence, but the texture is far more appealing to the eye. The double basket weave design provides the fence a delicate finish and allows light and air to enter through. Number 2. Vertical slat wood fence. A conventional wood fence has horizontal exposed rails and vertical boards or pickets fitted with no space between them. A more contemporary alternative to a wood fence is this vertical slat fence. The thinner pickets are equally spaced apart and constructed of sturdy marble hardwood. The horizontal rails are installed on the neighbor's side, giving the homeowner's side a modern, clean appearance. Number 3. Reclaimed wood fence. This magnificent fence is made out of salvaged wood, which highlights its natural beauty. This design can be made from scrap wood and normally just needs a few simple tools. By alone, the quaint wood pattern that overlaps demonstrates how trendy your property is. Number 4. Curved lattice top wood fence. Consider a curved style like this wood fence if you want to give your outdoor area a hint of sophisticated whimsy. Pickets are present on both sides of the rails in these shadow box panels, giving the interior and exterior a 3D appearance. The top has lattice arches that give it an English garden appearance. Additionally, the lattice's height increases privacy. Number 5. Wood fence with matching planter. This cedar fence looks great and will be durable for many years. Natural oils in cedar give it resistance to rot, insects, warping, and decay. It also gives it a beautiful appearance. The horizontal slats shadow box pattern creates a 3-dimensional texture, and the planter incorporated into the fence gives it a finished appearance. These designs are better when you work with CAAN Fence Inc. Call us today at 781-767-3596.